Hello guys, I am here right now to tell you about what is in a plant cell for a good grade. And just before you get bored, because I know there's going to be a lot of stuff I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to put some Subway Surfers right here because I know your attention span is very short. Well, here we go. So, the first part of the plant cell is the cell membrane. Now, the cell membrane is on plant and animal cells, and I'd say that the cell membrane is kind of like a shield or a bodyguard because it lets things go in and out, but it also protects the cell. Alright. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Well, next up is the Now, the cell wall is on only plant cells, and I'd say that's kind of like how a brick wall provides structure for a house, but this time it's just providing structure for the cell. Oh, these are going quick. Now we have cytoplasm, and cytoplasm is kind of like that jelly stuff, which is similar to the gelatin in a fruit cup, which holds everything in place but still allows for some movement. Also, I must admit, I was like a little hungry when making these examples. Alright, next up is the vacuole. And the vacuole is kind of like a storage container, and it usually holds water like a water bottle. And now we have the mitochondria, which is the main powerhouse for the cell. And I'd say that it's kind of similar to a generator in that way. We are very close to end. But next up is the I figure I'd do that again just because it's fun. But ribosomes are kind of like little chefs that use ingredients, which are amino acids, to make the dish, which is protein. Very good for your body, man. Protein. Alright, well now we have the nucleus and DNA. These are very similar, but the difference is that the nucleus tells the cell what to do, but the DNA is the instructions for the nucleus, which tells the cell what to do. It's like a loop. Alright, our second to last one is the Golgi complex, which is kind of similar to your local post office or Amazon, which packages and ships proteins. And lastly, we have the ER, which is short for endoplasmic reticulum. What? But anyway, the ER is kind of like a highway for the cell, which transports goods throughout the cell. Alright, thank you for watching this yap session. Now, here are some times I mess up just because I think they're a little funny. Next up are the ribosomes. Ribosomes. Gains from the protein. Alright, next up are chloroplasts. Now, chloroplasts are only. Alright. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Well, anyways, next up is the cell wall. Now, the cell was Now, chloroplasts are kind of like solar energy because they use the energy for... Alright, next up are chloroplasts. I hope you like the Subway Surfers. Bye.